What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at playfulrewards.com and answering the big question, is Playful Rewards legit or is it a scam in 2026? Let's break it down and see what you should really expect before spending your time. What is Playful Rewards? Playful Rewards is a platform available through playfulrewards.com and mobile app stores. It is promoted as a fun and easy way to earn points by doing simple activities like playing mobile games, completing tasks, collecting points through daily activities. Those points are supposedly redeemable for cash or gift cards, which makes it appealing, especially if you are already enjoying casual gaming. Does the app actually exist? First things first, yes. The app is real. It exists on major app stores, and some users do report receiving small payouts, especially with light or casual use. So this isn't one of those platforms where absolutely nobody ever gets paid. Where the problems start. However, the issues start showing up once users try to redeem larger rewards. According to reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, Playful Rewards has mixed ratings, with a noticeable number of low star reviews. A common complaint is that once users reach the cash out threshold, accounts suddenly get flagged or locked, withdrawals stay pending forever, or payouts simply never go through. Some users say they spent weeks earning points only to be told their activity logged suspicious, even though they were just playing games normally. Earning versus time spent. Another major issue is the earning system itself. While it looks generous at first, the highest paying tasks often take a longer time and require an in-app purchases. For many users, the effort simply doesn't match the reward, making the experience feel frustrating and not worth the time. Bans and denied withdrawals. Some independent reports also mention that while small redemptions may work, larger payouts are often denied at last minute. There are even cases where accounts get banned right after requesting a withdrawal, with no clear explanation and no appeal option. Final verdict. So is Playful Rewards a scam? Not entirely. It is a real platform, it works, and some users do receive small rewards. But is it reliable? Not really. The risk of running issues, especially when cashing out larger amounts, is higher than it should be. That makes Playful Rewards more of a high-risk, low-reward app rather than a dependable way to earn money online. If you decide to try it, go in with very low expectations and do not rely on it for serious income. And my advice, do not use it at all. And if this review was helpful to you, please consider like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.